Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of the Channel History Hall of Fame, where we take deep dives into the moments and events that have made their mark on history. Today we're going big, really big. We're talking about the largest concerts ever held in the world, where millions of people gathered to witness performances that have become the stuff of legend. From massive beaches to historical city squares, these concerts broke records and became cultural milestones. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with the biggest of them all. On December 31st, 1994, the iconic British singer Rod Stewart performed at Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, to an astonishing crowd of over 3.5 million people. That's right, 3.5 million. Imagine the sheer scale of that. People packed the beach as far as the eye could see to celebrate New Year's Eve with one of the world's biggest rock stars. This concert holds the Guinness World Record for the largest free concert ever held. The combination of a legendary artist, New Year's celebrations, and Rio's festive atmosphere made this event truly unforgettable. Not far behind is another mega event at Copacabana Beach, this time featuring the Rolling Stones in 2006. The Stones, one of the greatest rock bands in history, performed in front of a massive crowd estimated at 1.5 million people. The atmosphere was electric, and the stage setup was nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine Mick Jagger, Keith Richards, and the rest of the band playing hits like Satisfaction and Jumpin' Jack Flash, while the waves crashed onto the shore. It was not just a concert, it was a historical event that cemented the Rolling Stones' legacy as one of the greatest live acts of all time. Next, let's talk about Live Aid, the legendary dual-venue concert held on July 13, 1985. Organized by Bob Geldof and Midge Ure, this event aimed to raise funds for famine relief in Africa, and boy, did it deliver. Live Aid took place in two locations, Wembley Stadium in London and John F. Kennedy Stadium in Philadelphia, and featured some of the greatest musicians of all time, including Queen, David Bowie, U2, and Led Zeppelin. With over 1.9 billion people watching on TV from 150 different countries and tens of thousands in attendance, Live Aid became a global sensation. It wasn't just about the music, it was about using music to make a difference. And who could forget Freddie Mercury's unforgettable performance that day? Now, for a concert that combined electronic music with historical grandeur, we go to Moscow, 1997. To celebrate the city's 850th anniversary, electronic music pioneer Jean-Michel Jarre performed in front of a crowd of over 3.5 million people near the Moscow State University. The scale of this concert was mind-blowing. Lasers, pyrotechnics, and Jarre's signature futuristic sound filled the Russian capital. It wasn't just about the music. It was a multimedia spectacle that honored Moscow's deep history while looking ahead to the future. Of course, these aren't the only massive concerts that have left a mark on history. Let's give a quick shout-out to some honorable mentions. Simon and Garfunkel's 1981 reunion concert in Central Park, New York, which drew over 500,000 people. Monsters of Rock, 1991, in Moscow, attended by over 1.6 million during the collapse of the Soviet Union. And let's not forget about Garth Brooks' 1997 Central Park concert, where close to 1 million people gathered to hear some good old country music in the heart of New York City. From rock and roll on the beaches of Rio to electronic music in the heart of Moscow, these concerts weren't just performances. They were moments in history. They brought together millions of people to share in the power of music, creating memories that will last forever. If you could have attended one of these legendary shows, which would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more historical deep dives. I'll see you in the next episode of the Channel History Hall of Fame.